Prambanan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up there.
There is a picture.
Right there.
Wow.
That's in
That's in Prambanan.
Jogja.
No, that's in Bangla.
Huh? But we were saying in Jogja.
Yeah, it's in Java Island actually. So that thing that.
Guys, can you be quiet for a minute, please?
Silento, calmate per favor. Un minuto.
Amanda.
Calmate un minuto.
So, yeah,
Okay,
we were
so-
staying in Jogja when we went there.
Me with my toes there.
Yeah, and he had really, really short hair
Yeah.
compared to. So, that was fun. That was an ancient temple.
Okay.
What type of temple was it?
Huh? That's a Buddhist temple.
Buddhist, okay, not Hindu.
No. That's a
Well,
Buddhist. I guess
the-
Buddhist temple. So take a look at us. We are wearing
Sarang.
sarong because that's one of the rule there. You have to be polite. That you have to wear something to cover your.
Yeah, when you go to the temple site.
And take a look at me.
Oh no.
That's me wanna be a model.
Yeah. That was fun there.
Okay.
How old
Yeah.
is that?
Oh my gosh, that is maybe like 10 years ago. Take a look
No,
at the difference
no,
between
the-
10
the-
years ago and now.
The temple.
Take a look at my gray hair. So
We're
much
talking about
stress.
the temple.
Huh?
We're talking about the temple.
Oh,
Not you.
Oh, not me. No, I was thinking the picture was 10
How
years
old
ago.
is the temple?
The temple,
Do you remember?
only God knows. I have no idea. 1,000 years, 100 years,
know.
500 years, you can see from the stone color.
Yeah, you actually have to when you go inside any of the buildings, I guess.
Yeah.
You have to wear a hard hat.
Yeah, because we wear like a yellow helmet.
Yes.
Just in
a
case
hard
something
hat.
happen, at
Yeah,
least
yeah.
you can protect your hair. Not your hair. Protect your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there was an earthquake. Not when we were there.
Yeah, but
But
that's
they
the
had an
reason why.
earthquake. No, I thought it was like
Oh yeah,
2006.
Prambanan. No, actually, it's
And
it's
a
like
lot
a-
of it fell.
yeah. Do you know the story about Prambanan? It's like a fairy tale. Actually, they built the temple in one night.
Who?
Huh?
Who?
That's the story.
Oh, okay.
The story back then, I don't know, like 1,000 years ago, the temple was built in one night. It was, yeah. There is a princess. I don't know what is the
That what?
story.
Kissed by a frog?
No, it's not kissed by a frog. It's one of the. She's trying to find she's trying to find a husband. So in regard for that guy to marry her, he need to build a temple in one night. So which is 99 temple. Actually, it's a 99 temple, but almost at the end of the night, which is because before sunrise, you have to finish that. Yeah, the story kind of
Oh, that's interesting. I've never heard
the
that.
story kind of like supernatural.
Mhm.
A lot of spirit helped this guy to build the temple, but I don't know, just because the girl doesn't want him to succeed. I don't know the story actually. It was built one night.
I'm gonna put some more sambal on this while I listen to your story.
Okay, that's the story about Prambanan. You guys can go
Eat
and
some
check.
of the rendang.
Yeah, you guys can go and check the story about Prambanan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what else there? Take a look at you. You trying to be like a local Indonesian woman or what, with your hat, and then try to grind coffee.
Yeah, we're
That's
What
a
do you
kopi
call
luwak. Kopi luwak.
you
It's kopi luwak.
I guess you're pulverizing the
Grind.
beans.
It's a traditional way in Indonesia to grind your beans, I guess.
The
Yeah.
coffee beans.
Yeah, we do beans. We do any type of beans, or even making making flowers. That's what we use.
Oh yeah.
And I
Yeah.
used to.
Oh
Oh my,
God.
there's a funny
That's so
story.
funny.
Okay, so I remember, but when I was kid, I was kind of very like crying Like I cry a lot back then when I was kid, and my grandma was
Like now?
huh?
Like
Not now. I'm not crying now. No. So my grandma also like, oh my God, stop crying. You like crying so much. And then what did they do? I was like, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 years old, if I still remember. They sour me on the top of that with how do I call that? It's like a charcoal, but it's still hot charcoal, like a wood charcoal. It's filled with fire, and then they pour water on the top of the charcoal. Okay, so the process is like this.
like make the steam or something?
No, I don't know. That's what they believed in us back then. So in regard for me to stop crying, they have to sour me under the charcoal, wood charcoal. I didn't stop crying. I kept crying.
Of course not.
Oh, that's the story. But then oh yeah, I remember that. So I was crying, and they're holding me like this. Okay, come on, then sour him with that charcoal shit. Oh my God.
Maybe
That's
they're trying to
stupid.
get the spirits out of you.
Perhaps that's how to scare away the spirit. I guess I still have that spirit. But actually, another thing too about kid, when the kid like to cry, they are gonna be a smart kid. So pinch your kid, let them cry. When they're growing up, they're gonna be a smart kid.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's the story. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the story about kids. When they cry a lot when they're a baby, they're
Yeah.
gonna be a smart. They're gonna be a smart man like me.
Okay. Okay. Well,
What are you talking about?
that's-
It's not Bumbu talk.
that's this edition of Bumbu Talk today.
Okay, so
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching today in our topic of Bumbu Talk. Remember, we have our cooking seasoning line and our salad dressing here. We're having rendang today, and that has the bumbu merah. So if you enjoy them, go to our website at Krakatoa Cuisine. We have a lot of recipes out there as well.
And
It's
we
amazing stuff here. You gotta have it. And
And we have a lot of seasoning too that you
Yeah.
guys can.
certainly make a reservation at the restaurant. Remember, we have our cooking classes now,
Yeah.
and we just had our first episode of cooking in people's houses
Okay,
last week.
that's still secret. Yeah.
That-
Stop telling everybody about that because that is still a secret.
Okay, don't tell anybody.
Yeah.